Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to read and understand Form SSA-1099, also known as the Social Security Benefit Statement. So this form is important because it shows how much Social Security income you receive for the year. You'll need this when you file your taxes. So since part of your benefits may be taxable depending on your total income, so in this video I'll walk you through the key sections and explain what each part means. So let's start at the top of the form. You'll see your name and your social security number. Just make sure that these details are correct because they should match your official records. Next, go to box 3. This shows the total benefits paid to you during the year. So this is the full amount before any deductions. And right beside it is box 4. So this shows any benefits that you may have repaid. Not everyone will have a number here. So if it's blank, that is completely normal. Now, move to box 5. So this is your net benefit amount. It's simply box 3 minus box 4. This is usually the main number that you'll use when preparing your tax return. And below that, you may see a description section that explains the amounts in box 3 and box 4. So this just gives more details about how those numbers were calculated. Then look at box 6. So this shows any federal income tax that was withheld from your Social Security payments. If there is an amount here, it means taxes were already taken out, which can reduce what you owe later. So that's really all you need to focus on this form. When filing your taxes, you'll use the net benefits and any tax withheld to complete the correct sections in your return. And that is it. Once you understand these key boxes, the form becomes much easier to read and use. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.